And having no family around doesn't help. And minsan si Buntis ay nagiging emotional kasi, you know, it would be nice na may kasama, ganyan. Nag-aalala ako kasi manganganak na ako, but then at the same time, nag-aalala ako kasi sino mag-aalaga kay Paris. Super, oh my goodness.
What happened? What happened, Mom? Do I come again?
Yes, honey.
Mom, you have France again.
Alright, honey. Thank you. You don't like me to eat it?
Huh?
Why?
Guys, it's not good.
Because it's not good for me? How about for you?
And my teeth is good.
Your teeth is good, so you can eat that?
Yes.
How about mommy? My teeth is good. I brush my teeth.
Oh yes, you can have it.
I can have it?
Yes, I can.
Sabi niya, hindi daw niya pagkain
I'll
kasi.
give you one only.
One only?
Yes.
Hi guys! Maulan na morning to everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday pa rin kahit na nagising si mami niyo na masakit ang tiyan. Sobrang natakot ako guys kasi nung nasa bed pa ako, I felt like parang yun bang nag-drop si baby Celine kasi nafe-feel ko na talaga siya dito sa baba. And then I stood up kasi si Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa labas sa sa lounge room. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, my tummy is hurting. Nag-alala talaga siya, guys. Sabi niya, call the midwife. And then, medyo nawala naman siya, guys. Parang pa, every now and then, ganun ba? So, I'm thinking maybe it's just yung tinatawag nila na, ano ba yun? Yung dropping, baby dropping, lightening, and Braxton Hicks and all that. So, ayun. Nagbihis tayo kasi itadrop natin ang ating baby girl sa school today kasi Tuesday. And starting today pala is one day na lang, once a week na lang siya pupunta ng school. So hindi siya pwedeng mag-absent kasi sayang na sayang at surely, mamimiss niya yung mga kaibigan niya doon sa school niya. Kaya dadalhin ko siya doon even though si mami niyo tingnan nyo. So, kinakausap ko nga si baby Celine, guys. Sinasabi ko, anak, hold on for a bit longer. Kasi, you have to stay there for another 3 weeks. I know, I'm very excited to see baby Celine, right? I'm very excited to hold her in my arms. I think like everyone, Daddy Mike, baby Paris, everyone is very excited to see her. And I told her, I talk to her all the time. And I said, but you have to stay there a bit longer. Because you're not cooked yet. Yes? You're not cooked yet. You have to wait for another 3 weeks. And it's not long at all. 3 weeks is not long at all. So, at alam niyo ba na kinausap ko nga si Daddy Mike, sabi ko, paano na lang kapag nanganak ako at lockdown? Kasi nga, 'di ba, dapat sana tonight is mag-ease na yung lockdown namin. But unfortunately, they are extending it. So it means hindi pa namin alam kung kailan talaga ma-release kami. So nagwo-worry ako kasi anong mangyayari kapag lockdown tapos nanganak ako. And the other night, Daddy Mike was in the park. Tapos nakausap niya yung kaibigan niya doon na kakapanganak lang ng asawa niya. Ang nangyari daw, makakasama daw yung asawa mo sa loob ng ospital. But once na lumabas daw yung asawa mo, hindi na daw papabalikin. And sabi ko nga, that would be really, really harsh, right? Because obviously, kailangan ko ng support ni Daddy Mike doon. Like, it will really make me feel better knowing that he's there. But si Paris will be outside as well kasi hindi siya makakasama. But the plan is, yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay pupunta dito. Siya yung mag-aalaga kay baby Paris. So we're hoping na baby Celine won't come out as yet until dumating yung mama ni Daddy Mike. At alam niya namang may trabaho ang mga tao dito, guys. So parang set talaga yung time. So I think first week of August maybe, like that. Tsaka pa mag-leave yung mama ni Daddy Mike para just in case na mga anak ako, then you know, she can look after Paris. But what if the labor will happen beforehand? You know what I mean? So ang daming ano, guys, dapat isipin ba? Pero yun na nga, yun daw yung mangyayari kapag lumabas na si Daddy Mike sa hospital, then hindi na daw siya makakabalik. I don't know how true it is. We'll find out pag nangyari yun. But hopefully, pag lumabas si baby Celine, hindi na siya lockdown. Para naman at least may normality, diba? Kasi na-stress pa tayo ngayon kasi mga anak lalabas ng ating baby tapos, you know, may makakadagdag pa. So it's definitely not helping at all, guys. And having no family around doesn't help. And minsan si Buntis ay nagiging emotional kasi, you know, it would be nice na may kasama, ganyan. Hala, iiyak na, hormones pa more. Hindi kasi, you know, nandito si Daddy Mike, wala namang problema. Ganon. Like, he's very responsible and he's very hands-on. But alam niya yun na, nag-aalala ako kasi mga anak na ako. But then at the same time, nag-aalala ako kasi sino mag-aalaga kay Paris. Just in case na manganak ako before makarating yung mama ni Daddy Mike dito. So, you know, it's nicer and it's very handy if you have family around. So, at least you can just, you know. But we will work things out. We will be fine. I think like, where I'm just overthinking at the moment. Na-overwhelm ako, guys. Alam niyo yun. You know, I'm having our second baby and it's very exciting. And, yeah. Kasi nangyari nga lang sa panahong ganito, yung COVID and all. Just makes it stressful. Anyways. Oh my God. You know, when I move a little bit now, guys, I'm making this noise na like, Anyways, it's good maglakad-lakad muna ako sa labas. So, idadrop natin ang ating baby girl ngayon. Andun siya sa labas, nanonood ng TV. You ready, princess? You ready?
I'm not finished now.
You're not finished yet? Say, how about say good morning to Tita? Tita. Good morning.
Good morning.
Tita and Tito. Ito siya, guys, nag-aalala talaga ito siya sa akin. Sinasabi niya, are you having cramps, Mommy? Cramps? Mommy having cramps na? Super good girl nito, guys, kasi the other night pumunta kami ng bed, tapos sinabi niya sa akin na just out of nowhere, sinabi niya talaga sa akin na ilagay ko daw yung pillow in between my legs para daw hindi ako mag-cramps. Sobrang matanda na to siya magsalita. Na, why do I need to put the pillow in between my legs? So I won't get cramps? Once kasi nadinig niya na sinabi ko yun na maglalagay ako ng pillow, tapos ngayon sinasabihan niya na ako paggabi na lagyan ng pillow daw yung paa ko. Are you a good girl, anak? Yeah. Hala, tulog yung mga anak ko. Naman, isa din. Oh, kito-kito eh. Baby Celine will be out soon, baba. Are you excited to see baby Celine? Are you gonna play with her?
Mama.
Are you gonna look after her?
Yeah.
What are you gonna play with her?
Toys.
Toys?
Yeah.
Are you gonna share food with her?
Yeah.
Do you love your sister?
Seriously, these ones.
She will have Didi first.
These ones.
Like you before, you had Didi before. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang top. Super, my goodness.
What happened? What happened, Mom? Do I come again?
Yes, honey.
Mine have frogs again. Yes, it did.
I don't know if you can see it, guys. Alright, honey. Thank you. She's just geeking very hard.
I'm a kid way hard. For me, just to me.
So, Celine, be gentle with Mommy Celine.
No, it's not.
Say bye, Daddy. I'll clean when I get home.
Bye. Big kiss. Big kiss. Can I give you one?
Come on.
Say hi. Love you. Paris, you did the best job today. In everything. Love you.
Go. I'll carry that because it's so heavy. You can only bring one, honey, or else they will take it.
Let me feel my bag.
Of course. You hold it first. You have pocket anyways. There you go, see? There you go. Come on, let's go.
They won't take it
Yeah.
from my mind.
I love you.
So you're what?
Yeah.
Come on. Open the door. That's locked. Okay, you can open. Good girl. Oh, sobrang ginaw, guys. Ayan.
I'm not that cool, Dad.
No, you're not. You're a big girl.
I'm out.
Grabe, ulan kagabi. Sobrang basa.
Ready.
Careful na.
Please have me in my colors.
Maricados. Come on, anak, 'cause it's raining Monday, anak. Put the hoodie. Come on, go in the car. Go, princess. Uy. Oh my God, my tummy, guys.
Mama, can you jump?
No, you can't jump, honey, because you got shoes on. It's not boots, okay? Mga tao, kahit ulan, basketball. Huh? You have to be quick, anak, because it's raining now. We'll get wet. That's a dead plant. Come on. Just wait. Come on, daghan gina siya pangutana. What's going on there? Didn't you say our car's wet? It's from the rain. Ayan guys, kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng kanyang school and it's raining. Oh my God, we'll get wet, honey. We will get wet. Baba, do you like rain or sunny day? You like sunny day?
Yes.
Why?
I don't like rain.
Because you don't like rain. That's understandable, isn't it? No? You like sun because you don't like rain.
Yes, because the rain is hard.
Sabi ko sa kanya, guys, you enjoy your one day at school because from now on, you're only going to school once a week, okay? Princess, you enjoy your day with your friends, okay?
Okay.
Come look at mommy. Look at here.
Okay, mommy.
Look at here in the camera side. Okay, mommy.
Okay, mommy.
Good girl. I love you.
I love you. I'm out.
You're the elf.
A few moments later.
Labas na tayo, guys. May hinihintay ako. Nag-message siya. Sabi niya nasa labas na raw siya. Ayan na, guys. Ito ang aking hinihintay. So, additional sa ating collection ng plants dito sa bahay. It's nice, no? It looks healthy. Ayan. Siya, shorter siya kumpara dyan. Ayan. Yan, malaki talaga.
That's strange.
This is still smaller. Pasensya na, very noisy. Nag-work ang ating daddy mic. So, binili ko to siya from the Facebook Marketplace the other day. And sabi ko kasi baka hindi siya kakasya sa sasakyan. Pinadeliver ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, extra $5 na lang daw. Kaya yun. Love this one. This is for guys, $50. 60 pala yung nilagay niya, pero naghanyo si mami niya. Sabi ko, 50 na lang. Ayan. So, I'm still gonna think kung saan ko to siya ilalagay. Kasi tingnan nyo, meron pa dyan, diba? Yung isa natin dyan. Maybe, doon ko siya ilalagay. Tingnan nyo, I am actually folding clothes. Kaya nandyan pa yan siya sa baba. And, meron tayo nito sa bedroom, isa. Yeah. Tingnan nyo. Nilabas ko rin to siya kasi lalabahan ko. Oh my God. Daming gagawin. So, ito siya. Akala ko mamamatay na to siya, guys. But then, nag-bloom siya sa ilalim, So, mas green na siya. Pero yung ibabaw niya, ganun. Nawala na yung dito niya. I think it's because sa heater. Kasi sobrang init. But, yes. We have another delivery. Hala, grabe katugnaw sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Nagpa-deliver si mami nyo ng drink. Nagugutom si Buntis. Meron pa akong hinihintay na pagkain. Ito siya, drink lang. Chat time. Chat time. Hindi ako makapag-vlog dito kasi very noisy. Dito ko nilagay ang ating bagong plant. Tapos yung ay doon ko nilagay. Kita ba doon ko nilagay? Yeah. Doon tayo sa kwarto. Uy, very noisy. A second batch is here. So the last one was drink. And ito ay food. Kain muna tayo. Yung drink natin, guys. Yeah, chat time. And then, ang pagkain is from Papa Rich. Ito yung binili ko. Roti. Roti. Kasi very soon, pipick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris. And then, ito yung kinakain namin ng bestie ko sa work. Ayan. Chicken skin. Yung pinaano talaga, pinakaging na chicken skin. Kaya na nagugutom si Buntis, guys. Yung sandali? Roti. Trabaho pa rin ang ating bago. $4.50. Tapos may mga sauces pa. Ayan. Kain muna ako, guys, ha?
A few moments later.
What is that? It's a box. Come on, go get your bag. Blue top. Obsessed ka sa blue top na. Come on, go get your handbag na. Ay, your handbag. Your backpack. one is that?
Let's get this.
Paris, Nicole. I have a surprise for you in the car. Come on.
Now I got a blue tag.
Got a blue tack. Wait, ang tarakag isa ka dump truck na blue tack na. So, get your bag. Get your backpack.
I'm an elf.
You're an elf?
Yes, I'm an elf.
Where's your hair clip?
It's in their room because I don't listen. I just listen.
Where did you put your hair clip? See, I can see it on your head.
Oh, sorry. I need to go.
Where?
Over here. I need to get my hair.
To get your hair clip? Do you know if it's there? Huh? You lost it. It's okay. We'll get it when we come back next week. Okay?
Daddy, I want to get it. Did you open the door?
No, we can't open the door because they cleaned it up already.
I need.
It's okay. You still have a lot of hair clips at home. We'll just get it when we come back next week. Okay?
I need a shiny ball in it.
There's a shiny bowl.
Yeah, there's a shiny ball in the hair clip.
I know. That's pearl. Just like your earrings, see? Show your earrings. See? Oh, you have sticker now? Did you go to the toilet?
No.
Why did you get sticker?
Cause I'll just pick up.
Because you what?
Pick up.
Pick up?
Yes, I did.
Pick up what?
Twice. I picked up the...
Oh, you helped? You helped?
That's a troller right there.
Yeah. Come on, let's go now. Daddy's waiting at home. Kasi si Mommy ba?
Look at me.
Look at you.
Look at me.
Have a look. Your neck is red. Katul-katul, labog ka. Be. Hello.
And my friend's face.
Oh no.
Red face.
What happened?
A red face. I don't have red face anymore.
No, because you're not burnt.
Yes, that's my neck.
Just your neck. It's itchy.
And
We'll put cream tonight, okay?
yes, it's very dark. Oh no! Wait.
What would you like?
Open. I don't like you to eat it.
You don't like me to eat it? Why?
Guys, it's not good.
Because it's not good for me? How about for you?
And my teeth is good.
Your teeth is good, so you can eat that.
Yes.
How about mommy? My teeth is good. I brush my teeth.
Oh yes, you can have it.
I can have it?
Yes, I can
Sabi
share
niya,
it.
hindi daw niya pagkain
I'll
kasi.
give you one only.
One only?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Only one?
Yes. Not a lot.
Why?
I can share it.
You can share? You
Yeah.
can share more than one for sure.
Yes. Come on. What's that?
Be, mommy.
You have a serious question? Oi. The puppies are watching TV and they're all happy to see the big bad wolf. Can you see the big bad wolf?
Yes. And free the pig.
Yeah, the three little piggies. That's what they're watching on TV.
And Nanny's very happy with the dogs are here.
Yeah, Nanny come to check on the puppies.
Who's that? Who's that?
Here is Papa.
Papa.
You can
Papa.
tell by his eyebrows.
Papa. Papa is not. Papa's angry.
Yeah, he's angry.
Who's that?
Trevor.
Papa.
That's right. Papa took Nan and Trevor waited at the door.
And then take all the puppies.
Yeah. Nanan said, "Where are the puppies gone? I miss the puppies."
Yes, they'll take it.
Yeah, they took it, didn't they?
Yes, Papa is very naughty.
Papa is so naughty, he took the puppies.
Yes, they are naughty. Oh, what's the wish happy for?
Corella was happy because the puppies were coming to her now. Because Papa stole them and he was going to bring them to her in exchange for some jam sandwiches. It was a cold day in Melbourne. Can you see Melbourne?
Just tell me.
And the 2 puppies were here and they said, "I want to go to Brisbane."
Yes, I like to go Brisbane too. No,
My birthday.
no, Lily's birthday.
Celine's birthday.
No, it's Daddy's birthday next week. What are you gonna do?
What are you going to buy for Daddy?
Present.
What present are you going to give me?
Slimes.
No, Daddy doesn't play
Are you going to give me slime?
Just a new one.
Is that for me or for you?
You can play together. I'll take 2 slimes, girls, slime, and you boys.
Okay.
Yes, I will take the blue ones just for you, and then I will take the sprinkles in that.
I feel like the slime is for Paris, not for Daddy.
No, we can play together.
Yeah, but what about what I like? My present.
What are you gonna get for Daddy?
Ice creams too.
Ice cream. Are you gonna get Daddy a cake as well?
Yes, I like cakes and cupcakes.
What color?
Blue and pink.
Blue and pink.
Yes.
How many?
I want 4 of them.
Are you gonna decorate for Daddy?
Yes, and some Celine too. Celine has to have a small slime, and I'll have a bigger slime.
I think Celine might just miss my birthday. But she'll come to the next one.
She'll be the next one. Are you gonna decorate for Daddy's birthday?
Yes, and Celine's birthday.
Okay, you do the decoration.
Yes, I can make some cupcakes.
You can make some cupcakes.
Yes, and cakes.
What else?
Some ice creams.
Okay.
Pink ice cream for 2 blue ice creams and yellow ice creams and purple ice cream. And last one is just here.
5?
How many?
Just 5. I like this.
That's 10.
I like 10 these ones like this.
All right.
Show me your 4 fingers. That's 10.
4. Say good night, Tita.
Hi, me.
We say good night, Tita. Tita.
Good night, Tita.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
My
Good night.
good night.
Mwah.
Say we're gonna talk now.
We're going to talk now. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Have the Easter eggs.
Have a sweet dreams, everyone.
Have a big dream, everyone.
Good night.
Bye.